Here we're going to look at another type of statistical diagram known as a stem and leaf diagram. A stem and leaf diagram has features of a bar chart, but also displays the actual values of the data. If we look at the data in this table, all of the numbers start with a 4, a 5, or a 6. We use these as the stem: 4, 5, and 6. So let's start putting data in. For 40, we just put a 0 on the leaf side. For 68, we put an 8 here. For 55, we put a 5 here. Then 52, we just put the 2 here. 43, 61, 47, 48, 42, 45, 50, 52, 57, 41, 63, and 49 to complete the first row. It's very important to space the data evenly along here, and to make sure we arrange it nicely in columns, since we're trying to get a bar chart effect. We're moving on a bit here. We have all the data from the original table now in the stem and leaf. But at the moment it's unordered. Just look at any of the rows. When we produce a stem and leaf, we have an ordered diagram. So what we need to do now is order the leaves. Let's start with the first row. We have a 0 here, and it's the only one we have. That needs to go first. We then have a 1 and another 1, so they come next, making sure of even spacing. We can then see that we have 3 2s. We also have 4 3s. And we continue with this process until we've completed the stem and leaf in an ordered fashion. So here is our completed ordered stem and leaf. We've arranged everything neatly in columns so that we get a bar chart effect. One of the most important things to put onto a stem and leaf is the key. The key here is that 4, 0 represents 40. This shows us that a 4 in the stem and a 0 in the leaf means the data value was 40. The key is vitally important because there's no reason why a 4 in the stem and a 0 in the leaf couldn't have meant 400. It could also have meant 4.0. or really anything else that involves a 4 followed by a 0, such as 0.40. So the key is vitally important, so we don't lose the original meaning of the data.